to my channel, Sheryl na naman! For today's video, I want to share with you on how to add longer video story on new update messenger. Since a lot of you did a comment in this YouTube video of mine, I'm gonna put in screen my video of what I'm referring to. So, and my tutorial in Android is no longer applied to this new update messenger. So here's the tutorial for you. But before we hop into the main point of the video, I want to apologize for not immediately responding about this matter. Sorry, so let's get started. Go to your messenger and search for your name. Click that and go to the image icon and select the video you want to share in your story. After selecting, click send and wait for it to fully send in your own message. Click this button and go to views photos and videos. You'll see the video you send. Click and hit the three buttons. Choose forward and click it to send in your story. And ta-da! We're done! I hope I answered all your concerns. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified in any video that I get uploaded. Thank you for watching! See you on my next one. Bye!